off on the left side, this black object come out, which I thought at first was a bear. But it wasn't. It was walking on two legs like a man.
And like the grizzly, this predator is not afraid of Thomas.
And I walked about 50 yards out and just stood there and looked at it for about 15 seconds.
Thomas is now face to face with a creature he has never seen, despite his 45 years in Alaska.
It wasn't a bear because a bear cannot walk or run standing up. I knew it wasn't a bear. It looked just like a man, only it had hair.
Yeah, I drove down in here just looking around. I couldn't believe the size of that creature.
Yeah, this is going to be interesting. My first time here.
Yep, me too.
And supposedly there's some eagle's nests to look at. Let's see, Seven Ponds Trail, Lonesome Pond. This is going to be interesting.
This click, that looks like
What'd you pay for that?
$59.
Real stealth cam.
Yeah.
Amazon.
Yep.
Shoots movies and photos. And
photos.
It has, SD cards you can swap out.
Little SD card. I put a mini in there so I could look at it on my GPS.
Yeah, that's
right.
what mine uses.
And double A's, right?
8 of them. It takes a ton of them. Yeah.
That's the best way to go. Double A's you can get practically for nothing anymore.
Quick set will take 3 rapid pictures,
Uh-huh.
and the quick set 2 only takes 1 though. But it's nice to get a machine gun shot of something, you know.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I've got mine set up. It's got 2 modes. So it's got regular mode and then it's got the infrared mode.
Oh, wow.
So I can set it up for like when it takes a picture, it'll take 3, and then it'll wait, and then take 3 more. Yeah.
Nice composite walkways they put in. So it says Seven Ponds Trail, but Rich, you said there's 5.
There's 5 on this one, but if you, the 7 really include the ones that are on the south side, the Streetsboro entrance.
Okay, I gotcha.
There's actually like 2 more. They're smaller, but they come and go with the seasons.
No fishing or hunting. But there's some big fish in here, Lynn. Look at that. Wow. What? Oh.
Yeah. Well, what's that time now? What'd they say about spring? Look at there's another pike.
Yeah, a little bit. That's pretty, man.
What is that, a pike?
Little northern pike.
There's
a pike in there? Yeah, see it?
I mean, he just blends right in, looks like a stick.
That's a little northern pike. Right there.
Maybe we see Daddy. He's about the size of that leg.
I know.
Fortunately, we can't.
Yeah, this is the how they do the frog eggs, and they put it in that. They look for like a molds. What do you call it?
Like Jello.
Yeah, and then that creates that, and it gets thick. So if I was to put my stick in there, it'd be kind of like gelatin.
You ever pick one of them up? It's like a big ball of goo.
Yeah.
Coffee mug. Didn't know it till later.
I did show you the coffee mug.
Way later on, after I said it. You know?
That is one huge marsh. Gosh, they blend right in. We walked right by them. You can see them. All right, we get to go off trail. Gonna head towards the railroad tracks. Walk down the tracks. So I'm looking to some woods to the right. What? Oh.
That ain't the railroad, is it? Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, we're gonna go walk on the railroad.
Ow! Ow!
Hell yeah.
Oh boy, better grab a hold of some trees or something.
Smaller area. That's all.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Something goes up and down here.
Wow, this is steep.
Let's go down the other way.
Oh! Colleen, you all right?
Yeah, I
That's why I tell you.
Oh,
Don't go on
boy.
the railroad tracks. You fall. You
Hey,
hit
look
your
at
head.
this. We got a piece
I
of
know, I
metal
could have been
here.
dead.
Yeah.
Oh man, that scared the crap out of me.
Yeah.
He knows you're filming.
Yeah, as soon as I turn my camera on. He's somewhere up there. He's loud.
Yeah, no, this has got to be a gas tank. Pretty good size.
It's probably.
Oh. Okay.
And you said up there, is that 480?
That is 480, right by Frost
You know how many
Road.
sightings are from off of that interstate?
Yeah.
I can't see it, but right now, there was like 4 or 5 of them in there fighting over a female. Oh, there they go. Ooh. Cool.
Oh, yeah.
He's getting some soaking up some rays, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Feisty little thing, isn't he?
I won't hurt you.
So many people are afraid of them,
Yeah. They don't know the difference between venomous and not.
but they're good for us.
Oh, yeah.
Not
they eat all
good
the
for, I
little
mean
bugs
for
and
us.
stuff.
Yeah, they eat all
Oh
the.
yeah, he's a little garter. See, he's not a pit. Once you look at their face, if you see a pit next to their eyeball,
Yeah.
don't touch it. Don't even think about it. Because he's not a pit viper. He's not in that family. He's just a little garter.
What you gonna call him? What's his name?
No, I'm putting him back. I just seen him.